Can you generate passive streams of income in the biotech industry? I've been meaning to make this video for a long time now, and in this video I'll try to explain how and if it's possible at all to generate passive streams of income in the biotech industry. So I'm gonna have my morning coffee, I'm gonna head to the backyard, so you have to bear with me for a minute or two if you want to know my takes on this topic. Let's go. So biotech industry, as we all know, is primarily focused on research and development and commercialization of biological products or processes. So it doesn't offer that much passive income generators as compared to some other industries. But still, there are some ways that you can generate some passive income streams. For instance, the first one that comes to mind is the royalties from your patents. But, not everybody in the biotech industry is going to be able to have patents or have the rights to some patents that may generate some income. And in fact, most of the people just can't do that. Only the research and development people are those who are able to generate some passive income streams through patent royalties. And then there's royalties from licenses. For instance, if you have developed a process or modified a process, you can license it to other companies for use, and in return you get, a definite amount of money as a passive income stream. But the difficult part in licensing or patent royalties is you don't directly get to that point where you're able to do these things. You need to have some experience in the industry, and you need to be able to be at a position where you're able to do these sorts of things. And in most cases, you're not alone in these projects. There are always some colleagues or, a company gets a cut or whatever. But as I mentioned, most of the people are not able to do that. And the best one in my mind, I think, is like investing in, because you have the understanding for the biotech industry. So you might be able to invest in products or companies that may in the future be successful and may be able to generate passive income streams through stock dividends or something else. And in my opinion, the startup biotech companies have the best opportunity for you to be able to generate, passive income streams in the future at some point. If you see a startup biotech company and their ideas or their concept you think is going to be, worth someday in the future, I advise you to invest in those sorts of companies because, biotech's the future, and we know how the biotech industry right now is booming at a really nice pace. So I advise you to do that if you have the capital or, if you have the money to invest in. But again, the more you have, the more you can invest in and the more it can be worth someday. But for most people, it's not the case. So I don't know other ways that you can do that, but, these are some traditional ways that you can generate passive streams of income. And the problem with biotech industry is there are no other ways, how else you're going to do that. But the point is that there are some ways where you can generate some passive streams of income. The easiest way to generate one is just to invest in startups or biotech companies that are going to pay some, better dividends. But that's not a biotech industry thing, but just a general thing, That's the case with most of the industries. I live near a church, so, it's the bell, just ignore it. The important thing to remember is that investing at biotech or investing in any other company requires due diligence and risk management. Consulting a financial advisor or a professional in the industry, in this case at a biotech industry, can provide valuable insights, and I recommend you to do that if you're trying to invest in some biotech companies. So that's been it for this video. Now I'm gonna head inside. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.